Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn polls with StrawPoll, full guide step by step clearly. To install LinkedIn polls with StrawPoll, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the LinkedIn website and log in to your account. Once logged in, go to your LinkedIn homepage. Look for the post creation area at the top of your feed. Click on the Start a Post button. In the post creation window, identify the option to add a poll. Select the poll option to open the poll creation feature. Next, open a new tab and go to the StrawPoll website. On the StrawPoll homepage, click on Create Poll. Here, you can enter your poll question in the designated text box. Below the question, you'll find options to add your response choices. Fill in the response options that you want to include. Once you've added all your options, click on the Create Poll button. After creating the poll, your StrawPoll link will be generated. Copy the link to your StrawPoll poll. Return to your LinkedIn post creation window. In the post area, paste the StrawPoll link you just copied. You can add any additional text to your post if desired. Make sure your post looks good and the link is visible. Finally, click the Post button to share your poll with your LinkedIn network. Your audience can now participate in the poll through the link you provided. Monitor the responses on StrawPoll to view interactions and results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.